This is the ViBacBuster. The ViBacBuster is a device that is used to produce a silver mixture, which can be used to treat diseases that are caused by viruses, bacteria, fungi, and one-celled organisms. To use the device, the two power cords must be plugged into the outlet first. Then turn on the toggle switch. Once the switch is turned on, the device will display a message. After that, the device will run the water pumps for 30 seconds. That is to check if the water pumps are working properly and that there are no more water left on the brewing glass vessel. Before the prototype starts its process, the water level on the containers are checked first, whether the rejected water container or the silver mixture container is full, or if the water on the water source container is empty. On this example, the container A or the water source container is empty. For the device to start its brewing process, the container must at least have water at its mid-level. Once the water threshold is met, the user must press the button for the device to proceed with its process. Once the water source container is fulfilled, the user must press the hashtag key for the device to proceed. The user will then need to enter his desired volume of silver mixture, then his desired concentration. After getting the user input, the device will transfer the water to the brewing glass vessel tank C. Once the brewing glass vessel is filled, the device will test its water for its purity, and then proceed with the brewing process. During the brewing process, current is applied to the two silver rods that are submerged in the water. This causes the silver rods to strip off, producing silver ions and causing the water or the H2O element to become hydrogen, H, and hydroxide, OH. Elements that are positively charged are attracted to the negatively charged silver rods. On the other hand, elements that are negatively charged are attracted to the positively charged silver rods. To improve the quality of the silver mixture being produced, a steering mechanism as well as the switching of polarity is done during the brewing process. This feature of the device prevents the hydroxide or the OH from being bonded with the silver ions or Ag. It also causes the hydroxide to disbond and turn into O and H. As the brewing process reaches its end, the silver ions slowly disperse in the water. The device stops the brewing process once all of the silver ions are dispersed. And automatically transfers the mixture to the silver mixture container. Once the mixture is transferred, a message will appear on the LCD telling the user that the process has been successfully completed. Once the process is done, the user can then transfer the mixture to a different container. Using a non-distilled water in producing a silver mixture can produce large silver particles and cause unnecessary effects on the person who will use the mixture. So to prevent that from happening, non-distilled water is transferred to the rejected water container. The device features the following indicators to help the user know if the process is going smoothly, if it needs input, or if there is an error. The red LED blinks when there is an error, and at the same time, the buzzer sounds. The green LED blinks when the process is running smoothly. The LCD displays the messages that tells the user about the status of the device and asks for inputs if needed.